If you are a non-technical or technical person, and who knows or doesn't know programming, but still want to understand what an AI agent is, this video is for you. You're drowning in emails, spreadsheets, and invoices. Suddenly, a digital sidekick steps in. It reads your messy inbox, pays your bills, and even reminds you about that client who forgot to pay. Sounds like magic? Nope, it's AI agents. And today, I'll explain what they are, explain you how they work, why they're about to change your life, and how you can start using them. Stick around till the end, as I will reveal 5 free apps that even non-technical people use to build their own AI agents without any programming knowledge. Let's dive in. We live in a world increasingly shaped by artificial intelligence or AI. From answering our questions to controlling our homes, AI is becoming our go-to assistant. But what if AI could do more than just those things? What if it could understand our goals, plan actions, and interact with the world on our behalf? And do things for you. Yes, you heard that right.
So I think we're going to live in a world where there are going to be hundreds of millions of billions of different AI agents, eventually probably more AI agents than there are people in the world.
From generative AI to what's known as agentic AIs.
That agent force is what he's calling it. Agent force will be...
First, what's an AI agent? Think of it as a super smart problem-solving sidekick. Unlike Siri or Alexa, which just answer questions, AI agents do stuff. These are not just chatbots or voice assistants. They are intelligent programs that can interact with software, plan, make decisions, and even analyze data or interact with devices and even hardware, all while working towards specific goals. Think of them as digital assistants with problem-solving skills. Here's the secret sauce. They combine 3 things. 1, a brain like ChatGPT, Grok, Llama, DeepSeek, and other LLMs to think and reason. 2, tools like email, calendars, Excel, Photoshop, or bank apps to take action. 3, memory to remember and learn from past tasks and experiences, just like we humans do it. At the heart of an AI agent is a language model, like those powering Claude or ChatGPT. But unlike simple chatbots, AI agents have a unique ability to plan and make decisions. They observe their environment, orient themselves to understand how they can use their tools to accomplish their goals, decide on a course of action, and then execute it. So, while chatbots talk, AI agents act. They're like hiring a personal assistant who never sleeps. So, how do they work? Let's break it down. Every AI agent does a 4-step dance. 1, observe. It scans its environment, like your inbox or data through a robot's sensors. 2, orient. It figures out, what tools do I have? What's the goal here? Can I do it? 3, decide. It plans. What needs to be done? What tools to use for what task? Should I send an invoice reminder? Adjust the thermostat? 4, act. It does the thing, be it emailing your client, paying a bill, or even controlling a smart home. And the cool part? They improve over time. Forgot to pay a bill last month? The agent remembers and nags you this month. Okay, but what can they actually do? Let's seek out. For doctors, simulate how cells react to new drugs, saving years of lab work. In that way, AI agents can be thought of as simulating human behavior, but they can also simulate non-human behavior. For example, an AI agent that simulates a cell could be helpful to a scientist investigating how that cell responds to a new environment or in presence of a new protein. For you, automate boring tasks, like scanning your Gmail inboxes, spotting overdue invoices, and following up with clients for you. For engineers, test self-driving car software virtually before hitting the road. An AI agent simulating an autonomous car could help an engineer building sensors or software that will eventually be used on a real car, running on a real road. And they're team players. Multiple agents can work together, like simulating a whole virtual city to plan traffic flow, for example. So the autonomous car simulating AI agent can work in collaboration with a city simulating AI agent to provide it with necessary details about its environment and conditions it might face on the road, like NVIDIA's Omniverse. AI agents are not just individual problem solvers. They can also work together in multi-agent systems, simulating human-like or other types of interactions and behaviors. This opens the door to even more sophisticated applications, like simulating social or intercellular dynamics, training medical professionals, or even designing complex virtual worlds. So now, here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech genius to use these. For example, set up an agent to auto-sort your emails into folders, send personalized follow-ups to clients, track your business expenses while you sleep. And guess what? I'm working on a step-by-step tutorial to build your own AI agent. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Here are 5 cool apps that are free and even non-technical people can use to build their own AI agents today. Try out Zapier, Copilot Studios, Google Studios, MindPal, and Make.com. These let you connect AI agents to Gmail, Slack, or your favorite tools and define workflows and logic the way you like, just by using simple drag and drop features for everyone to use. As AI technology continues to evolve, so will the capabilities of AI agents. They will become smarter, more adaptable, and more seamlessly integrated into our lives. Whether it's streamlining our work, automating mundane tasks, or helping us tackle complex challenges, AI agents are poised to become our indispensable companions in the digital age. AI agents aren't just the future, they're here. They'll handle the grind so you can focus on what matters. Want to be ahead of the curve? Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Oh, and comment below. What task would you want to automate first? Let's brainstorm together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. But before you go, real quick, here's the thing. Most of you watching right now aren't subscribed, and that's okay. But if you enjoyed this video, imagine what you'll get next. Think of this channel like your personal AI toolbox. Every week I drop new hacks to save you time, money, and stress. But I need your help too. Seriously, drop a comment below. What blew your mind about AI agents? What should I cover next? Your questions literally shape this channel. Want a deep dive on building your own agent? Curious how they'll change healthcare? Tell me. This isn't just my journey, it's ours. Let's uncover the future of AI together. Oh, and if you're thinking, I'll just come back later, don't risk it. The algorithm's sneaky. Smash that subscribe button, tap the bell, and you'll never miss the next video. Trust me, you'll want to see what's coming. I'm working on a tutorial where we'll build an AI agent live, step by step, zero coding. It's going to be epic, so what's it going to be? Comment, subscribe, and let's make this the smartest corner of the internet. Thanks for watching, you're awesome. Catch you in the next one.